Okay, welcome to day 4, and we're going to be looking at the second of the hearts, and we're going to be doing a running stitch. Now, I've already gone around the outline of this heart in the lightest pink, the 818, and I've done a back stitch, which was the stitch that we learned yesterday. But inside the heart, we're going to do a running stitch, which is another outline stitch. Now I'm going to be doing it with the darkest 601 pink, and again we're going to be using 2 strands of that, so make sure you do separate your strands out. So what you want to do is you want to bring your needle up through the fabric and then take it down about 5 millimeters away along the line. Then you're going to bring your needle back up through the fabric, and I would say maybe slightly shorter distance, so maybe 3 millimeters away rather than 5 millimeters away there. And then bring that up. And unlike back stitch, we're not going backwards, we're carrying on forwards. So again, make the stitch about 5 millimeters in length. Here, we'll just carry on the other side of the heart there. So again, the stitch is going to be approximately 5 millimeters long. Go down, the gap in between them a little bit shorter, so about 3 millimeters. So bring it up about 3 millimeters along, and then again take it down about 5 millimeters along there. Okay, so ultimately your stitches are going to be about 5 millimeters long, and the gaps are going to be roughly at 3 millimeters along. And then we can just start on the line below. Again, take it up, make a stitch about 5 millimeters long, leave a 3 millimeter gap, do another stitch about 5 millimeters long, and again leave a 3 millimeter gap, and keep doing that until you get to the other side. And then of course you keep doing that for each of the lines. And what I would aim to do is try to make sure that your stitches don't sort of stack up exactly the same. So for example, what you don't want is you don't want all of the gaps being the same distance and have a line of gaps and then another line of gaps. Try and stagger the stitches from left to right if you can.